You guys been seeing the hype around AI agents, and I'm here to break it down even more simpler than ever. Let's get started. What is an AI agent? I need you to imagine having the smartest kid in your class as your personal helper. This helper can use the internet, write code, control apps, and even remember everything you've ever talked about. Beyond answering questions, what if there's a type of AI that doesn't just answer questions, but can actually do things for you? Like a digital assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and can use tools just like you. Now, let's get a bit more technical. The brain, system prompt. Every AI agent has instructions, like you giving instructions on how to help you. This is called the system prompt. It defines how the AI agent should act. So whatever model you're using, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, you train that model to know you personally. So that way, when you ask questions, you can do all that just by training this LLM. Next, the memory, short-term and long-term. Just like you, AI agents have two types of memory. Short-term memory, what's happening right now in our conversation. Long-term memory, everything important they've learned before. It's like they have a perfect diary that never gets lost. Next, the superpowers. These are the key traits. So every AI agent can learn, get smarter every time they work. They can adapt, change their approach when something doesn't work. Insane. Delegate, give tasks to other AI helpers. Reason, figure things out like a detective. Plan, make step-by-step plans like a coach. And act, they actually do things, not just talk about them. The toolbox, using tools. So a lot of these AI agents don't just think, they can use tools as well. Browse the internet like you do. Write and run computer code. Control apps on your phone or computer. They can easily access databases full of information and even control other programs. Beyond traditional AI, real-world impact. Remember how Siri and Alexa can only answer questions? AI agents are like having 100 Siris working together, but each one actually do the task. Planning a trip, book flights, you can find hotels, create itineraries, and set reminders. Need homework help? Research topics, create study materials. It can quiz you, track progress, etc. The list goes on. Build your own AI agent today. Why not? There's so many tools out there that are no code, and you could just prompt it or just learn by taking action. Let me show you a few AI agents that I thought about that you guys can easily steal or just go build it so you can see it in action. AI agents for side hustlers. Build a money-making agent that finds freelance gigs that match your skills and finds ways to save money. You could train it to apply to jobs with your approval. Monitors cryptocurrency prices and alerts you. You guys can make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month with this type of agent. Create a family manager agent that plans weekly meals and creates shopping lists. Insane. Finds family activities based on the weather, tracks everyone's schedules and prevents conflict, even manages chores and allowances. I actually need this for myself. This is crazy. A busy mom or a father can save up to 10 hours per week with this family agent. AI agents for creators. This will be big. Build a content creator agent that researches trending topics in their niche, writes video scripts and social media posts, schedules content across all platforms, even analyzes which content performs best. Any content creator could utilize this tool right here and save so much time. AI agents for personal life. Build a life coach agent that tracks your fitness goals and suggests workouts, reminds you to call family and friends, finds events and activities in your city, even helps you learn new skills. This agent right here is a game changer. Someone needs to build this. You can build your personal team. There's no excuses today. The one-man business is possible with AI agents. Companies are already building teams of AI agents that work together. Do your research. A lot of Fortune 500 companies have hundreds of agents within their ecosystem. You can build your own personal team right now. What AI agent would you build first? If this video helped you in any way, please subscribe, hit that like button, share it if you want, and leave a comment below on which agent did you like best from this video.